If the Earth suddenly stopped rotating, the first thing we would experience is a tremendous force propelling us eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. This would result in catastrophic destruction worldwide as buildings, trees, and even oceans would be violently displaced. The atmosphere would continue to move at the Earth's original rotational speed, so the winds would reach speeds of hundreds of miles per hour. This extreme weather would lead to devastating storms and a significant loss of life. The oceans would flood the continents as the water moves due to inertia. Coastal cities would be submerged, and entire ecosystems would be devastated, altering life as we know it. With no rotation, one side of the Earth would experience perpetual daylight while the other would be shrouded in eternal darkness. This would drastically change temperatures, creating extreme heat on one side and extreme cold on the other. Photosynthesis would be disrupted as plants on the dark side would die off, leading to a collapse of the food chain. Animals and humans dependent on these plants would struggle to survive. Gravity would be affected too. The equatorial bulge, caused by the Earth's rotation, would disappear, causing sea levels to rise at the equator and fall at the poles. Time itself would be altered. The concept of a day as we know it would vanish, replaced by long periods of extreme light and darkness, fundamentally changing how we perceive time. The changing climate would lead to new weather patterns that could make survival difficult. Habitats would shift, and many species would face extinction due to rapid environmental changes. Human society would undergo immense stress. Governments would struggle to maintain order as resources become scarce and survival competitions arise. In terms of geology, the intercontinental movements would shift as tectonic plates adjust to the new equilibrium, potentially resulting in more earthquakes and volcanic activity. Long-term, the planet would attempt to stabilize, but the drastic changes would leave Earth unrecognizable. The evolution of new species might occur, adapting to the new environment. Finally, the ramifications of this event would be felt for millennia. Current civilizations could fall, making way for new forms of life to emerge in harmony with the unbalanced Earth that remains. Overall, if Earth ceased to rotate, the consequences would be uncontrollable and cataclysmic, marking a new chapter in the planet's history that might resemble the ancient past more than modernity.